In this video, I want to show you how to delete apps on iPhone. To delete apps on iPhone, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to locate the app you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this um, Trading View app. If I want to delete this Trading View app, what am I going to do? I will just tap and hold on that app for just 1 second. You just have to locate the app you want to delete. Tap on the app and hold it for just 1 second and leave it. So once you do that, it will show you this page. So once it brings out this thing for you, if you check very well, you are going to see remove app. You just want to tap on that remove app. So once you tap on the remove app, it will ask you, do you want to remove from home screen or you want to delete app? So what I want you to do from here, I want you to tap on delete app. So once you tap on delete app, the app will be deleted from your phone successfully. So guys, this is the first step to delete an app from your phone. So let me show you the second step to delete an app from your device. So you want to go to settings. So once you go to settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on general. So once you tap on general, I want you to tap on iPhone storage. So once you tap on iPhone storage, I want you to scroll down and look for the app you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this app. I will just look for the app that I want to delete. Then what we just have to do is just swipe left. So once you swipe left, it will show you this offload and delete at the front. You want to tap on delete. So once you tap on delete, it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this app? Just want to tap on delete, then this app will be deleted from your device. So guys, this is how you can actually delete apps from your iPhone in 2 ways. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.